Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Discord servers on PC and mobile. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. To delete server in PC application or in browser version of Discord, select a server you wish to delete from this left pane and make sure you are the server owner. You need to see this crown next to your username in the members list. Now click on the server's name at the top left and go to server settings. Next, copy this server's name over here and on the left pane scroll down, click on delete server, paste the server name over here and click on delete. That's pretty it. Server in mobile application, tap and hold on the server's icon you wish to delete. Tap more options. Next, tap on settings. Next, overview. Scroll all the way down. Delete server. Tap on yes. And the server is deleted. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.